Hello everyone. Have you ever imagined a car that can move without petrol? Today we are very excited to present our innovation project called the Waterpower Car. Our group members are called 18, 41, and 19. Our STEM project focuses on renewable energy and creating environmentally friendly invention for the future. Before we show our model, let me tell you a short story. One day, my father took me on a road trip. Along the way, I saw many cars releasing thick black smoke into the air. The smoke polluted the environment and made it unhealthy. That made me start thinking, can we create a safer type of energy for cars? After hearing Chloe's story, we discussed many ideas together. Then we learned that renewable energy is energy that can be reused and is safer for our planet. So we decided to create a car that can move using water pressure instead of petrol. And this is our invention, the Waterpower Car. Our model uses a hydraulic system powered by water and pressure to make the car move. These help reduce the use of fossil fuel and protect the environment. Our project is also related to Newton's third law of motion. When the water pushes backward, the car pushes forward. This is called for every action. There is an equal and opposite reaction. This is how our car moves water pressure. The special thing about our model is that it produces less pollution and helps protect the earth. By exploring renewable energy ideas, we hope future vehicles can become cleaner, greener, and more environmentally friendly. Through this project, we learn teamwork, creativity, problem solving, and how renewable energy can help build a better future for everyone. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope you enjoy our innovation project, the Waterpower Car. Let's work together to create a greener future with renewable energy.